The Tesla Cybertruck, once considered rough around the edges by some, has successfully swayed opinions and rekindled enthusiasm among skeptics. It's captured the imagination of individuals like Mr. Larry Ellison, even in their golden years, who now see the Cybertruck's potential as a law enforcement vehicle, complete with police lights and sirens. In this episode, we dive into the latest Q4 2023 update, where Elon Musk unveils the mesmerizing special coating version and shares thrilling insights from the latest test, continuing to fuel the excitement surrounding this automotive blockbuster. Tesla is keeping us on the edge of our seats with more Cybertruck test track footage at their Fremont factory. Everyone eagerly awaits the start of deliveries. While it's not the first time we've seen Tesla's Cybertruck on the Fremont test track, the anticipation is reaching a fever pitch as the delivery date draws closer. The Cybertruck was recently spotted zipping around the track, undergoing continuous testing before hitting the streets. We're still waiting for confirmation that the EPA has begun assessing the Cybertruck for its certificate of conformity, a crucial step before deliveries can begin. Rumors have swirled about Cybertruck deliveries, but without that certificate of conformity and crash test assessments from the NHTSA, it's all just talk. Tesla is diligently testing the vehicle, and that's why we've been seeing sightings of it for the past 6 months. Things have gotten more serious in recent weeks, with crash-tested Cybertrucks making appearances, including one that was rolled and had its cabin fully intact. Despite its rugged design and assumed utility, the Cybertruck is still a Tesla electric vehicle, promising white-knuckle speed and acceleration far from your traditional pickup truck. While Tesla continues to tantalize us with glimpses of the Cybertruck, the wait will soon be over, we hope. Tesla aims to deliver it before the end of the year, ideally marking the 4-year anniversary of the Cybertruck unveiling event. But wait, there's more. Elon Musk hinted at an exciting possibility, a diamond-like coating option for the Cybertruck. He shared this intriguing tidbit on his favorite social media platform, X, in response to questions from his followers. In his latest posts, Elon Musk, the maverick COO of Tesla, ignited a spark of excitement among Cybertruck enthusiasts that quickly spread like wildfire through the Tesla community. Musk's engagement with his followers on social media, particularly his preferred platform, Twitter, has become something of a sensation. This time, he dropped tantalizing hints about the future of the Tesla Cybertruck that set hearts racing and imagination soaring. One of the most captivating ideas to emerge from this digital tete-a-tete was Musk's vision of a potential scratch-proof coating for the Cybertruck. Responding to a follower's comment that vandals attempting to key a Cybertruck would end up damaging their own keys, Musk playfully hinted at a groundbreaking solution. He teased, "We might be able to offer an optional tungsten carbide coating, which is basically scratch-proof up to everything below diamond hardness." This suggestion not only showcased Musk's penchant for innovative thinking, but also underlined his commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering. The idea of a coating that rivals the hardness of diamonds is nothing short of revolutionary. It would not only protect the Cybertruck's distinctive exterior, but also elevate it to an entirely new level of durability and resilience. Such a coating, if realized, could potentially redefine expectations in the automotive industry, setting a new standard for both luxury and ruggedness. This revelation comes against the backdrop of Tesla's prior claims about the Cybertruck's toughness. On Tesla's official website, the Cybertruck is described as being built with an exterior shell made for ultimate durability and passenger protection. It boasts an exoskeleton nearly impenetrable, constructed from ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel and Tesla armor glass. However, Musk's latest musings hint at his relentless pursuit of perfection, suggesting that even the already formidable Cybertruck can be further enhanced to meet the most exacting standards of durability. Joe Techmeyer, a passionate Tesla enthusiast and dedicated drone videographer, has once again taken us behind the scenes of the electric vehicle revolution. In his most recent footage, shot at the Gigafactory, Texas parking lots, Techmeyer has unveiled not one, but 2 Cybertruck master candidate vehicles, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the final stages of production approval for Tesla's highly anticipated Cybertruck. The significance of these sightings cannot be overstated. These 2 Cybertrucks are what Tesla refers to as master candidates. These vehicles are poised for evaluation by Tesla's executive leadership team on September 25th. If they receive the coveted thumbs up, it could mean that the long-anticipated production of customer-ready Cybertrucks is just around the corner. As Techmire's footage reveals, Tesla employees are back at the factory, diligently resuming work after a brief hiatus. During this break, it appears that Tesla leveraged the time to refine the Model I production lines and fine-tune the Cybertruck production process. The return of the workforce is a surefire sign that Tesla is gearing up for a momentous shift in its production focus, with the Cybertruck at the forefront. The vehicles themselves are nothing short of mesmerizing. Techmire's video captures these Cybertruck master candidates in all their glory, standing tall, robust, and seemingly ready for action. Their presence hints at a degree of completion and production readiness that is nothing short of thrilling. According to Techmire, production could commence within a week if these master candidates receive the executive green light. This timeline aligns seamlessly with previous reports suggesting that Cybertruck deliveries are poised to begin in October. These reports are based on inside information from Tesla employees, adding a layer of credibility to the timeline. The prospect of the very first customer-owned Cybertrucks hitting the open road is no longer a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. This moment has been eagerly awaited since Elon Musk's grand reveal of the Cybertruck in November 2019, a promise 4 years in the making. Amid these developments, there are intriguing signs that some reservation holders may be on the cusp of taking their first steps towards configuring their coveted Cybertrucks. A Tesla community member known as Cybertruck Guy on X.com has posted insights into potential changes in the reservation screen. According to this user, individuals whose reservation screens display the message "You cannot edit design at this time" might be on the verge of locking in their orders and receiving final configuration details. While this observation has generated a mix of responses and interpretations, it undeniably adds an extra layer of intrigue to the unfolding Cybertruck story. Reservation holders who have demonstrated unwavering patience and enthusiasm may soon see their dreams of owning this groundbreaking electric pickup truck transform into reality. However, it is essential to note that some users have highlighted that, currently, all orders appear as uneditable, sparking a degree of uncertainty regarding the significance of these reservation screen updates. Amidst the speculation and anticipation, one thing remains abundantly clear: the production of the Cybertruck is rapidly drawing near. With the potential approval of the master candidates in September, we stand at the precipice of witnessing the remarkable transformation of an audacious concept into a tangible, road-ready reality. Tesla's vision for the Cybertruck, an audacious endeavor from the beginning, is taking concrete form, and the imminent arrival of this groundbreaking electric pickup truck promises to herald a new era in the automotive industry. While we eagerly await further details and an official delivery date for the Cybertruck, one fact stands unshakable. Tesla is on the brink of introducing a vehicle that has not only captivated the imagination of automotive enthusiasts worldwide, but is also poised to challenge conventions, redefine the boundaries of electric mobility, and pave the way for a seismic shift in the world of pickup trucks. The Cybertruck, with its audacious design and groundbreaking technology, is set to revolutionize an industry that has remained largely unchanged for decades. The countdown to electrified dominance has begun, and the world watches with bated breath as Tesla's vision for the future becomes a tangible reality. As anticipation builds for the Cybertruck's official launch and deliveries, Musk's tweets have become more than just social media posts. They are a tantalizing glimpse into the future of automotive innovation. With the possibility of a scratch-proof coating, the Cybertruck's allure is now not just about its distinctive design and performance, but also about the promise of unparalleled durability and resilience. It's a testament to Elon Musk's visionary approach to redefining the boundaries of what an electric vehicle can be. So, are you excited about the upcoming updates in the Tesla Cybertruck? Share with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're a fan of all things technology, be sure to check out this other video we've got lined up for you. It's packed with all the latest news, tips, and tricks to keep you ahead of the curve.